Nice.
Oh yeah, that's a lot better. And run it all the way. Send them all the way and run it. I'm like, what?
Right.
I blew a motor.
Are you sick?
I think I'm gonna skip those. Wow, that articulation on it is
See?
perfect.
You feel it now?
Yeah.
See what I'm... Yeah. You'll climb a lot better too. And stuff like that. See? Now if you would have had the bands, you would have probably tipped.
Yeah.
I missed you going over that rock.
Oh, there's a ramp on the back of that? What? I didn't know
Oh, you
that.
didn't know that?
No, I was over here too, and I didn't even see that.
I would practice that back one too. And sometimes I'm talking to you, making you.
You're good.
Man.
My motor's hot.
You want to tell them about what you got in this rig?
Stock, motor, stock, ESC, stock, radio, just
Okay. So you just did what? Wheels, tires, shocks, stuff, tires. What tires is those? And what's this rig called? What's the body called?
MB24,
Okay.
Mia's Racing.
Who? Oh, so this ain't an axial?
It is. But
Okay.
I just basically
I got
changed
you.
everything
I got you.
except action.
I heard a lot about the Max. It's supposed to be the best, right? That's what I heard. I was watching stuff last night.
Oh, that was a hard hit. These are pretty heavy too. 18.
Yeah. They good out the box too.
Yeah, I haven't done anything. I don't think I'm gonna do anything to these two.
Nice. Nice. You there, my friend?
Cannot be the spot.
I've been trying to get used to this one-handed thing filming. All right, we're gonna go this way, Phil. Stay close to me if you can so I can keep you in the shot.
This one's gonna keep the same body, but
Oh, I hear you.
it's I'm gonna widen it out. Huh?
I can wait for me to get up top and then you come and I'll film you. So let me get up top and then you'll go.
I did bring money today too.
Yeah.
You still have the manual for it?
Yup, it's in the thing. But look, so these wheels, you get the tires, but these wheels is for mine. I got your wheels in the bag because I just got these yesterday. Yeah. Ready? I'm glad you're still getting it, because I didn't tell nobody else. I can tell it's hooked up more. You didn't do nothing else?
No.
Probably the tires and inserts is starting to break in.
I've been really practicing
Yeah.
finger control.
Yeah. Mind your way.
Should take this one close to the wall.
Yeah. Try to get that tire in that little branch, and you'll get it every time. Yup. 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 See? Don't do it. Keep, yup. There you go. Nice. I like that. You mean every day? Yeah. Yeah. You too. All right, where's your rig at? Down there? Yeah. All right, let's go. Oh, can you?
Where's that?
It's custom. So Punk's 3D custom chassis, Capra axles.
Look at that. It's crazy, man. That takes some getting used to. You hear me? That takes some getting used to.
I'll be doing curveballs.
Man, I'd been on the floor by now.
This is my class 3. She's done real good.
Like the little metal.
It had a Capra trans in it, and then I decided to go with a lighter trans. And that's what I'm testing out today.
That reminds me of a railroad.
You got his down there too. We got the matching power wagon.
Oh, yeah. That was amazing, buddy. That was so good.
You're doing real good with that motor in there, bud.
Done with my run. I saw your time. I was like, holy hell.
I knew you was gonna
You
be,
were
because I can't mess with y'all.
It was like I was in like 3rd place.
Buddy, that's where you blew your spur gear out. So there you go. Good job.
Just let me know if I'm in your way. I'm charging up right now.
Back her up.
Pretty rig, Jeff.
Thank you.
You gonna like this shot. I see.
I got it that far.